Hey everybody, KT at 90s Muscle here. Another quick update for Project Upstate Survivor, the 88 LX we've been working on. I had mentioned earlier that we were going to put a catback exhaust kit on this car. When we had originally gone to check her out, we knew that the passenger side exhaust, the muffler and tailpipe were compromised. We got her back to the shop, looked a little bit further, and we found out that there was a big hole on top of the driver's side muffler. So given that the tailpipe on the passenger side was shot, we played around with it. We tried to weld in a 40 series that already had a mid pipe on it, with good flange. Tried to play around with some adapters and whatnot. It wasn't really taken, so we just decided to make things easy and order a catback kit. This is a Flowmaster kit right here in front of me. It's not a traditional 40 series American Thunder loud kit. This is the new FlowFX kit that they've had now for a bit. They're more of a turbo style muffler. They're not the chambered style that, it's been popular forever. It's something new. They're a little bit more mellow, a little bit more moderate, which is kind of what we want to do anyway, because this car is all stock except for the March air box, and it's going to stay that way. So we want to try and keep it, as mellow, quiet, stock sounding as we can. Never put one of these I put plenty of catback kits on. Never put one of these on. I've never had one. We're about to open the box, check it out, and see what it looks like. So, upon first glance here, we got the box open. We got everything's packed in here rather well. We've got some nice 2.5 inch tailpipes. They've got, they're embossed with the Flowmaster. Don't know if you could see that, but they do. I'll get a little closer there so you can see it. Really nice. Here's the muffler, one of the mufflers. These are ready to rock. They have flanges on them already. They've got, there you go. They got hangers on them already. So the tailpipes are gonna fit into this flange here, and then they give you, they give you some band clamps to go ahead and clamp those on. You can of course weld them after you clamp them if you want. You don't have to. We may weld to give them a couple of tacks. All in all, looks pretty cool, and probably going to go ahead and lay these out and get them on the car real quick. Won't take too long. So here's a view from underneath the car with both of these mufflers now installed. As you can see, they look pretty good. It's a nice tight fit. Nothing's hanging out of place. They utilize all the stock hanger locations and basically emulate the stock turbo style muffler size and everything else. They don't have heat shields like the your original turbo mufflers, but same footprint. And I got to tell you, I started it up, and you're going to see in a second here that it sounds just like a stock 5.0 should sound. So these FlowFX series mufflers, not the two-chambered style 40 series, so it doesn't have that distinctive Flowmaster sound that we've all grown to love or hate, depending on how you look at it. But it does sound good, and it does check the box of having new mufflers on the car, because both of the other ones, as I said earlier, were completely shot. So what we're going to do next here is go ahead and start her up so you can hear it. So Flowmaster FlowFX catback system. What's my first impression? Well, doesn't sound like a 40 series American Thunder 2-chamber Flowmaster catback. It's a lot quieter, a lot mellower. In my mind, or to my ear, it kind of sounds what a stock 5.0 Mustang would sound like, with the stock turbo mufflers on it. A little bit deeper, but not much. I'll move around to the back here so you can hear both of them together. Very mellow, very, you know, acceptable. It's not trying to do anything it shouldn't. It's all, the car is all stock anyway, except for an air box. So all in all, I think it's a good bang for the buck. I mean, everything's expensive today, but you know, if you're looking for a stock or as close to stock sound as you can get, I guess this would be the way to go.